Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 16th, 2025, we're going to analyze USDCAD. We'll be looking at both the news and the chart data to give you a comprehensive trading outlook. Recent news indicates the Bank of Canada held interest rates steady at 2.75%, which initially caused the US dollar to Canadian dollar to slump. Governor Macklem also cautioned about potential impacts from U.S. tariff policies under a Trump administration. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broad overview. Looking at the past several months, we can see USDCAD has experienced significant volatility, particularly around economic announcements. We saw a major low in early August 2024 around 1.34, followed by a steady climb, peaking at the end of October 2024 before dramatically decreasing in early November, going as low as 1.21. Following that, we have a long-term rally to about 1.47, followed by a volatile period, eventually ending at the recent prices we see now. These drops correlate with events such as the Bank of Canada's policy meetings and inflation reports. Now let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to see more recent price action. Focusing on the last few days, we see a tight trading range, indicating indecision in the market. Specifically, from April 14th to April 16th, the price has mostly been moving sideways after a recent uptrend. To get an even closer look, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. Here we can observe some consolidation happening, indicating a potential breakout either upward or downward. If we see sustained price action above 1.398, a bullish scenario becomes more likely. Conversely, a break below 1.385 could signal a bearish continuation. Looking at the daily chart again, a potential resistance level to watch is around 1.40, a break above which could indicate further upside potential. On the downside, a key support level exists around 1.38, a level that has been tested multiple times. Based on the current data, there are mixed signals. The Bank of Canada's cautious stance and global trade uncertainties create headwinds for the Canadian dollar, suggesting potential USD strength in the short term. However, should oil prices rise significantly, this could provide support for the CAD. Recapping, key price levels to watch are resistance at 1.40 and support around 1.38. A break above 1.40, with strong volume, would increase the likelihood of further bullish movement. Conversely, a break below 1.38 could trigger a bearish trend, especially if accompanied by negative Canadian economic data. Keep an eye on upcoming economic releases and any news regarding potential U.S. tariff policies, as these events will heavily influence USDCAD's direction. It's also worth noting Canada's federal election on April 28th, which will add extra uncertainty and volatility to this pair.